So what are we doing today?
We're headed up to our biggest commercial Christmas light install ever. We actually signed them to a 2-year contract for it too. So that part was kind of cool. They originally were just like, oh no, we only do 1-year deals. And then we send it out to bid every year. And we just kind of pushed them like, hey, we'd love to make this, more of a strategic partnership. We'd be interested in talking about like a discounted rate if we could contractually lock you in for multiple years. If I can go into every year knowing that I just have like 1,000 of a commercial job on the books ready to go, it's so much less stressful for me to plan labor, expenses, everything like that, just knowing we have a baseline. Once you get one of these, going and bidding the next one, the sales guys are just gonna be that much more confident. The installer team are gonna be that much more confident. It's just like a rep. It's not just about getting lights on the roof. It's like, how do we build a display that actually has some form of monetary benefit to you? We'll be there in about 25, 30 minutes.
Sounds good.
Jack, are you gonna make Kyle do the tall sign?
Yeah.
Hey, Steve, you want to grab me something caffeinated?
Yeah, what would you like, sweetheart? What would you like?
That's crazy. I didn't hear a single please, Steve.
Yeah, it's pretty rude. This is, give a mouse a cookie thing, Buy him a steak buy these guys a steak one time and everything's just assumed, huh?
Yeah.
What would you like, Kyle?
I'll retract my caffeinated beverage.
What would you like?
Jake, would you mind please getting me a caffeinated beverage?
I got you, dog.
All right, adios.
Cheerio. So it's funny, like if I were to go back, 4 or 5 years ago and be like, and you were to tell me in the Ford Fusion at that point when I was doing everything alone, like, oh, in 4 or 5 years, you're gonna be doing projects for, $40,000, $50,000, government contracts. You're gonna have a fleet of 3 trucks on the road with install leads. You're gonna have a book of business of 150 plus residential clients, commercial clients, whatever else. That seems so out of reach 4 years ago. Now I do these jobs that seem big to us, and there's guys all over the country that are doing like high 6-figure jobs at like shopping malls and like airports and stuff like that. And it's just funny, like I think this job is a medium-sized job now, whereas myself 4 years ago would think this is like Moby Dick, like the big great white whale. I don't want to like forget what got us here, which is like the high-end residential, but this has kind of become the next stage of the business, it feels like.
Welcome to Wickenburg, and they'll go pow, pow.
Hey guys, we're here at the town of Wickenburg. This is one of the biggest jobs to date. All the crews are out here, everyone's having a good time. We're doing multiple parks. We get to do a really cool sign. We're doing their police department, their town hall, as well as their public service building. Thousands of feet of roof line, 25 plus trees, 200 of our shimmering spheres. They have their tree lighting at the end of November, and all of our lights are gonna come on simultaneously with their big tower trees and their big tree lighting ceremony. Really light up the town and give them what they need. So something really cool that we're able to be a part of and give to the town of Wickenburg.
Merry Christmas! It looks beautiful. I'm excited to see the tree illuminate. We're here at the tree lighting ceremony. So their mayor's making an announcement right now. We'll tune in and they're gonna fire them all up at the same time. It should be pretty cool.
Let's go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Listen and children listen.
You hang up that sphere right there, dude?
That one? Yeah, that was me, obviously. Look at it. Sparkling away.
I saw Robert do that one.
Where are you guys from?
We're with the company that did the Christmas lights on the trees.
You guys have done an amazing job. It looks so beautiful. I've been here for 10 years and it's never looked this great before.
Oh my goodness, you want to say that? Hold on, you want to say that one more time right here?
I've been here for 10 years and it's never looked as beautiful as what you guys have done here.
Thank you so much. And what was your name?
I'm Desiree.
Desiree, I'm Steve. This is Jack.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you for saying that.
Yeah.
Ruby, nice to meet you, Ruby.
I'm Steve, nice to meet you. Thank you.
This is pretty cool.
Was hanging.
Have you been to Costco?
Oh yeah.
Isn't that messed up? Someone stole a bulb. Some people are such Scrooges.
Don't you always have one tucked away in the pocket?
I always keep that thing on me.
Do you have the bulb, Ashley?
I don't.
Oh, what I don't have the in your ear. I'm fixing a sphere. Service calls, you know, we stay active. Get that a little higher up there. Not so dangly. There we go.